Good morning everyone. I'm Dr. Swapna and this is the second chapter of human resource management, that is job analysis and planning for human resources. Let us see the definition of job analysis. Job analysis deals with the anatomy of the job. This is the complete study of the job, embodying every known and a determinable factor, including the duties and responsibilities involved in its performance, the conditions under which the performance is carried on, the nature of the task, the classification required in the worker, and the conditions of employment such as pay, hours, opportunities and privileges. Another definition is a job is a collection of duties, tasks and responsibilities which are assigned to an individual and which is different from other assignment. The next definition is a job is a collection of duties, tasks and responsibilities which are assigned to an individual and which is different from other assignment. So let us discuss about a meaning of job analysis. The first, it is an analysis of job duties and responsibilities given each to the persons as per the requirements of that job. Job analysis means to analyze all the job duties and responsibilities. The second is, it is a close observation of duties and responsibilities held by a personnel with the expectation of that role. The next is, a job analysis is a procedure through which you determine the duties and responsibilities, nature of the jobs and finally to decide qualifications, skills and knowledge to be required for an employee to perform a particular job. The job analysis is to understand more about a specific job in order to optimize it. A job analysis is a systematic process of collecting a complete information pertaining to a job. Job analysis is done by a job analyst who is an officer have been trained for it. In short, a job analysis means properly analyze the jobs and their duties and responsibilities. Let us discuss about the objectives. The first objective is to determine a most effective methods for performing a job. The another is to increase employee job satisfaction, to identify a core areas of training, development of performance measurement system, and to match a job specifications with employee specification with a selection of an employees. These are the objectives of job analysis. Let us discuss about the benefits of a job analysis. The first is a organizational structure and design. Job analysis helps the organization to make suitable changes in the organizational structure. The second is a recruitment and a selection. Job analysis provides information about what the job entails and what human characteristics are required to perform these activities. This information in the form of the job description and a specification. It helps management to decide what sort of people to recruit and hire. The next is a performance appraisal and training and development. Based on the job requirements identified in the job analysis, the company decides a training programs. The next is a job evaluation. Job evaluation refers to studying in detail the job performance by all the individuals. The next is a promotions and a transfer. When we give a promotion to an employee, we need to promote him on the basis of the skills and talent required for the future job. The next is career path planning. The many companies have not taken up a career planning for their employees. This is done to prevent the employees from leaving the company. Next is a labor relation. It is helpful for maintaining a good labor relationships. The next is a health and safety. The most companies prepare their own health and safety plans and programs based on a job analysis. And the last is the acceptance of a job offer. When a person is given an offer appointment, later the duties to be performed by him are clearly mentioned in it. This information is collected from job analysis, which is why job analysis become important. Let us discuss the methods of job analysis. The job analysis differentiates one job from the another job in an organization and is based on the observation and a study. It is also referred to as a job review or a job classification. A job analysis provides a basic foundation for many of the HR activities. So let us discuss the first method is an observation method. The observation methods are the direct observation. The observer is taken a part into an event as a direct participant and the observes this method will give a direct information to the observer. The another is a work method analysis. Including the time and motion studies and a micro motion analysis. These are the scientific method where the job is analyzed and measured by time and motion. The next observation method is a critical incident method. A critical incidents technique of a job analysis is the recording of behaviors by the workers that are specific to successful or the unsuccessful job performance. The second method is an interview method. It involves the discussion between a job analysis and a job occupant or the experts. Job analysis data from individual and group interviews with employees are often supplemented by information from supervisors of employees whose jobs are to be analyzed. The next method is a daily method. It requires the job holders to record in details their activities on a daily basis. It is called as a logbook or a daily diary. This is considered one of the important method of job analysis. The next method is a technical conference method. In this method, the services of the supervisors who possess the extensive knowledge about a job are used with the help of a conference. The supervisors, the analyst initiates a discussion which provides details about a job. The next is the functional job analysis, that is FJA. It is a method that uses a precise terminology and a structured job analysis schedule to record information regarding a job content. It is especially useful to the recruiting and a selection function. The next is a questionnaire method. In this method, a questionnaire is prepared to get the job information and is circulated among all job holders. The questionnaire asks the job holders to supply the several types of information sought in a job analysis. It may, in addition, ask the immediate supervisors to examine and comment on the replies provided by the job holders. Here are the list of questions are prepared about the job and information is collected for the certain job. The next method is a job inventories or a checklist. In this method, a questionnaire is prepared to get the job information and it is circulated among all the holders. The questionnaire asks the job holders to supply several types of information sought in a job analysis. It may, in addition, ask the immediate supervisors to examine and comment on the replies provided by the job holders. So let us discuss the next point. It's a job and performance method. These are a structured questionnaires that requires a respondent to check or rate behavior. The next is an individual psychographic method. In this method, the mental qualities of an individual are examined. The next is a job psychographic method. Following the three things are the essential for the job psychography method. A accurate classification of mental qualities required for the job, then the valid method of evaluation and a direct examination or analysis by trained examiners. The next method is job analysis by test. In this method, some reliable and valid tests are performed on the basis of essential qualities and abilities. The candidates are tested for selection and suitability on the basis of these tests. And the last method, it's a motion study method. Under this method, the speed of an individual worker in performing same job and a time consumed therein are both noted. Thank you.